All right, everyone. Now let's understand the architecture of VCF automation deployment. And here you can see two designs side by side. On the left, we have the simple deployment, and on the right, we have the high availability deployment. Let's go through both so we clearly understand when each one is used in production. Let's start with simple VCF automation. In this model, we deploy only a single VCF automation node, so everything runs on one appliance. Users access this automation service through a native load balancer that is built into the platform. Optionally, organizations can place an external load balancer in front if needed, but it's not mandatory. This single automation node then integrates with the management domain and the workload domain. From there, it communicates with components like vCenter and NSX Manager to provision infrastructure and services. This design is straightforward and easy to deploy. But there is only one node. It becomes a single point of failure in the production support. If that goes down, automation services will be unavailable, right? So this setup is typically used in lab environments, especially for our class. We are going to use this single mode. Okay, testing environments or small deployments where high availability is not critical. There you can go for this option. Okay, now let's explore the second option, high availability in VCF automation. Here, instead of one node, we deploy multiple VCF automation nodes, usually three. These nodes sit behind the native load balancer, which distributes traffic across them. What is that native load balancer? How it is used? I'll explain in the upcoming slides. Okay. So here, if an external load balancer is used, it sits in front of the native one to provide additional redundancy. Now, if one node fails, the other nodes continue serving a request so that automation services remain available in the production support. This architecture eliminates the single point of failure. We saw in the simple deployment, like it got a single point of failure, right? So just like the simple setup, this cluster connects to the management domain, workload domain, interacting with vCenter and NSX Manager. But the only advantage here is the system is resilient and suitable for production environments, and this is going to avoid the complete single point of failure option. So single node is very simple, not suitable for production. It is used for lab setup, and high availability, it's need three nodes, and this is mainly used for production support. Okay, so here the thing we need to understand is VCF automation act as the orchestration layer that automates provisioning across the entire software defined data center. So in the production environment, ensuring its availability is very important, right? So the best option to go for the high availability option in production support for VCF automation. We'll explore this native load balancer, external load balancer option and all in the upcoming slides.